Hello students, this is the third part of straight lines. So in second part I started about different types of straight lines. Three types completed: horizontal line, the line of the form y equal to k is horizontal line, vertical line, all vertical lines of the form x equal to k. Next, slope form of a line, that is y equal to mx. These three things discussed yesterday. Y equal to k line parallel to x axis, k unit from x axis, k positive above the x axis, k negative below the x axis, k equal to 0, that is only the x axis. That's why equation of x axis is said to be small x equal to 0. Vertical line, this is called vertical line. Every vertical line of the form x equal to k. X equal to k is a straight line parallel to y axis and k unit from y axis. K is positive, that line is right hand side of the y axis. K negative, that line is left hand side of the y axis. K equal to 0, that coincides with the y axis. That's why small x equal to 0 is the equation of y axis. One thing. Next, slope form of a line. The lines which are passes through origin, should have the form y equal to mx. Here m stands for slope. Okay, one thing. So important note is, if m greater than 0 means slope is positive. So means inclination is from 0 to 90. If theta is from 0 to 90, tan theta is positive. That's why all the lines will pass through first and third quadrants only when m is greater than 0. If m less than 0, slope negative. Slope negative, inclination is from 90 to 180, in between 90 to 180. So for such situations, the lines will be like this. All these lines having obtuse inclinations, their slopes are negative. All the lines will pass as Q2 and Q4. M greater than 0, Q1 and Q3. So m less than 0, all the lines will pass through Q2 and Q4. Okay, this is the information about slope form of a straight line. Okay, next. I can say fourth one, intercept form of a slope intercept form of a straight line. Slope intercept form of a straight line. Straight line. So this is important. Slope, okay, what is meant by intercept? Intercept means a part of line segment is called its intercept. I will explain the meaning of intercept. For example, observe, this is a coordinate system. For example, this is a line. This line is intersecting x axis at this point, say some a. Y axis at the point, say b. This is O. This length of the line segment is a part of x axis called x intercept of this line, or you can say that this is the intercept, x intercept made by this line. Okay, so OA is called x intercept of the line. Don't think the length, that is not length. OA may be positive or negative. Okay, so this is called x intercept. For example, this point is a, 0. This A is called its x intercept. So this length without modulus is called its y intercept. For example, this point is 0, b, then I can say b is the y intercept. Y intercept, a part of a y segment, y axis. So finally, what I am saying, if a line intersecting x axis at the point a, 0, then its x coordinate is called its x intercept. If a line intersects the y axis at the point 0, b, its y intercept is called this y coordinate is called its y intercept. For example, a line is given, the line intersecting x axis at the point -3, 0 and y axis at the point 0, 7. Then this -3 is called the x intercept of the straight line, and the 7 is called the y intercept of the straight line. Means intercept may be negative or positive. That is important. So that is the meaning of intercept. Intercept of a line. Intercept of a line means we will define like that. This is the intercept of the line actually with respect to x and y axis. Okay, that is different meaning. Here x intercept and y intercept means different. Intercept of a line is different from x-intercept and y-intercept of a line. Both all are different. X-intercept of a line, x-intercept of a line, y-intercept of a line, intercept of a line. These three are different. So, intercept of a line means this one. X-intercept of a line means I can say this without algebraical sign. Sorry, with algebraical sign. So, this is called its y-intercept. Okay, final concept for intercept I will write. The two x-intercept and y-intercept I will write now. If a line intersects x-axis at some a comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma b, then A is called its x-intercept, x-intercept, CEPT, x-intercept, and B is called its y-intercept. This is the concept of x-intercept and y-intercept of a straight line. Okay. Yeah, here what is the form, Nana? Slope and intercept form of line. Intercept means actually here y-intercept. Listen, coordinate system is given. If a line does not passes through origin, means what is the meaning of that? If a line does not passes through origin means that line intersect the y-axis and x-axis at two different points. The line does not pass, for example, the line passes through origin, Nana. So, this intersecting y-axis and x-axis at the same point, no? But if a line does not pass through origin means that line intersect the x-axis and y-axis at two different points. Okay. Yeah, that is the situation. Fourth situation is the line does not pass through origin. For example, listen students, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Yeah, this is one of the line which is not passing through origin. Okay. Let us assume that intersecting at the x-axis, y-axis at the point 0 comma c, then what is called c, Nana? C is called its y-intercept. And slope of this line is given as m. How to find equation of this straight line? So, what is the given information? Y-intercept is given and slope is given. Okay. Let C be the y-intercept of L and m be the its slope. Now, I want to find Slocum's equation. Two things are given here. Y-intercept is given and slope is given. Now, I want to find its equation. How can I find equation? Slope, you want to find slope means you want one more point now. This is fixed point, but you need to use another variable point. You want to choose another variable point. Anywhere. Let's assume that this is the variable point x comma y. Actually, if this point is taken as fourth coordinate, y should be negative and x is positive. But I don't know what are the symbols for x and y, just I took a point on the line, that's all. It may be in the fourth or it may be first or it may be second or third, whatever it may be. So, I will write let p x comma y be a variable point on L. This is fixed point, this is variable point. By using these 2 points, you can find slope, no? Require any 2 points on the line to find slope. Okay. So, I will write slope of L equal to, this is acting x1 y1, this is acting x2 y2, y minus c by x minus 0. Already slope is m, Nana, m equal to y minus c by x, cross multiplication y minus c equal to mx or y equal to mx plus c. In this way you need to remember, in this way only you want to remember. So, this is called equation of the straight line with the y-intercept c and slope m, or sometimes called this is the slope intercept form of a straight line. Y equal to mx plus c is remembered as slope intercept form of straight line. Here c stand for y-intercept, and m stands for its slope. Okay, this is important. I want to conclude Nana here. Here I will write y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of straight line which is known as slope intercept form. Okay, here C is y-intercept of the line. M is slope of the line. Okay. Different situations will arise. Maybe m may be positive, or c may be positive, or m may be negative, or c may be negative. No, because m will vary and c will also vary. So that's why different situations, m greater than 0, c greater than 0, m less than 0, c less than 0. What happened? I will show you. So this is y-axis and x-axis. This is y-axis and x-axis. This is y-axis and x-axis. This is y-axis and x-axis, and this is the line. This is the line. Okay, next this is the line. 4 possibilities Nana here. 4 possibilities. This line L, this only L, this only L, this only L, this only L. Okay, so 4 possibilities here. Here see what is this? Inclination is greater than 90. No? See here up to here only 90. No? More than 90 means m negative here. M less than 0. What is C? Intersecting a positive axis means C positive. M less than 0, C greater than 0. This is the position of the line. Sometimes we will ask questions. If m less than 0, C greater than 0, the line doesn't pass through dash quadrant. So that line doesn't pass through Q3. It will pass through Q1 and Q2 and Q4. The line doesn't pass through Q3. That means if m less than 0, C greater than 0, then you can say that line doesn't pass through Q3. Okay, here see acute angle. This acute angle means m is positive, C is positive. In this case, m greater than 0, C greater than 0, the line doesn't pass through Q4. So what happened on here? Inclination negative. Sorry, inclination obtuse, slope negative. So y-intercept also negative because intersecting the negative axis means what happened? M less than 0, C less than 0. In this case, the line doesn't pass through Q1. So here what happened, Anna? Slope positive, inclination is acute, slope positive, and y-intercept is negative. So m greater than 0 and C less than 0. In this case, the line doesn't pass through what? Q2. Okay, that is one thing. Listen students, yeah, important note. Y-intercept of line y equal to mx plus c is what, Nana? Just now I explained c only. But what is the x-intercept of this same line? What is the meaning of intercepts? I explained. What is the meaning of x-intercept, y-intercept? Just you want to find where that line intersects the x-axis. From that, the x coordinator is taken as x-intercept. To find y-intercept, we need to find where it intersects the y-axis. From that y coordinate is taken as the y-intercept. Okay. So to find the x-intercept and y-intercept of this line, okay, to find y-intercept, what should do, Nana? Put x equal to 0. Because see here, this is the line, Nana, intersecting y-axis somewhere. Every point on y-axis of the form 0 comma something. Here also 0 comma something only. Means x equal to 0 here. So put x equal to 0 in this equation. What you will get y? That is the y coordinate of that point. Put x equal to 0. Y equal to c only. What is the meaning of that? That line intersect the y-axis at the point 0 comma c. Then c is said to be its y-intercept. Okay. To find x-intercept, what I want? I want this coordinate. This coordinate I want to find x-intercept. So, every point on x-axis of the form something comma 0, means y coordinate is 0. Okay. Here also y coordinate 0 only, no? That's why put y equal 0 in this equation. What we will get x? That is taken as this x coordinate of that point. Put x equal to y equal to 0. 0 equal to mx plus c. So, mx equal to minus c, or x equal to what? Minus c by m. So, what I can say? This point is minus c by m comma 0. So, what I can say? Minus c by m is the y-intercept of the straight line. Understood? To find the x-intercept, put y equal to 0. To find the x-intercept, put y equal to 0. Okay. I will write that. Put x equal to 0 in 1 gives y-intercept. Put y equal to 0 in 1 gives x-intercept. This is working rule now to find x-intercept, y-intercept. Already y-intercept, okay, again I will write. Put x equal to 0 in 1. What happened? Y equal to c. So, that is c is y-intercept. Sorry. C is y-intercept. Okay. Put y equal to 0 in 1 gives 0 equal to mx plus c, x equal to minus c by m. Therefore, x-intercept of line is minus c by m. Okay. So, important thing, students, sometimes they will ask, at what point this line intersect the x-axis? Point. At what point this line intersect the y-axis? Point, he is asking, point. What you got here? Y-intercept, c is y-intercept. That is not point, na? That is real number. Point with ordered pair. Point. In this point, x is 0 only, no? What is y-intercept should write here? So, this is the required point, 0 comma c. I can say that this line intersect the y-axis at the point 0 comma c. C is y-intercept and point is 0 comma c. Don't confuse. Sometimes they will ask, what point this line intersect the x-axis? Point, ordered pair should write point. In this ordered pair, obviously y is 0 only. We need to find x. We found x, that is minus c by m. So, what I can say? This line intersect the x-axis at the point minus c by m comma 0. Okay. So, in this way, you can find the x-intercept, y-intercept, and where that line intersect the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Students, listen. Example. For the line y equal to minus 3x minus 7, find number 1 slope, number 2 x-intercept, number 3 y-intercept, number 4 find point where it intersect y-axis. Don't call intercept and intersect different now. Fifth one, where it intersect x-axis. Okay. Now I want to write solution one by one. Observe all of you. Slope. What is slope? What is the form? Y equal to mx plus c form only now. M stands for slope only. That's why I can say minus 3 is the slope. Slope m equal to minus 3. First one completed. Second one, x-intercept. X-intercept means to find x-intercept, put y equal to 0 in the equation. Okay, so I will write here, put y equal to 0 equal to minus 3x minus 7. or 7 equal to minus 3x, or x equal to minus 7 by 3. So, y-intercept is minus 7 by 3. Sorry, x-intercept is minus 7 by 3. Next, y-intercept I want. To find y-intercept, put x equal to 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 minus 7 minus 7. So, what I can say, minus 7 is the what? Y-intercept. So, interesting thing is where it intersects the y-axis. Y-axis at that point, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is y-intercept only. 0 comma, what is y-intercept here? Minus 7. Okay. Fifth, where it intersects x-axis. X-axis means something comma 0 only, no? What is something? X-intercept, minus 7 by 3 comma 0. Means this straight line intersect the y-axis at the point 0 comma minus 7 and x-axis at the point minus 7 by 3 comma 0, and its slope is minus 3 and its x-intercept is minus 7 by 3 and its y-intercept is minus 7. Okay. Okay, students, listen. Example 2. Find the slope of okay, students, to find slope of this line, we need to convert that equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. What is the y coefficient are here? 1. So, you want to make y as subject so that its coefficient is 1. From that you can find its y-intercept and slope directly. Okay. So, what is given here? 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, or 2x plus 4 equal to 3y. Divide through by 3. Y equal to 2 by 3x plus 4 by 3. No, this is in the form of y equal to mx plus c, no? Mx plus c. What is slope, Nana? Its slope. Therefore, slope of 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is, what I can say? 2 by 3. Understood? Okay. Important note. Slope of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is here. So, I want to make y as subject. By equal to minus ax minus c. Y equal to minus a by b into x minus c by a only. Sorry, c by b. So, how I can write, Nana? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 can be written as y equal to minus a by b into x plus minus c by b. Okay, therefore, what is the slope, Nana? Slope is minus a by b. Minus a means x coefficient by y coefficient. So, minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Use slope of the line. Means if a line is given in this form, directly can find slope by using this rule. Or you don't want to use that rule, just try to convert in the form of y equal to mx plus c. From that you can find the slope of that line. Okay. So, just you want directly find minus x coefficient by y coefficient gives slope. See here, minus x coefficient minus half minus 2 by y coefficient is minus 3. Total what you got? 2 by 3. That only slope 2 by 3. Okay. In this way, you can find the slope of a straight line, which is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Okay. This also you can convert into y equal to mx plus c only. This also you can convert into y equal to mx plus c only. What is the meaning of that? So, a linear equation in two variables, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A linear equation in two variables always represent a straight line. With one condition, I will explain what is that condition. So, linear equation in two variables will always represent a straight line on the coordinate plane. Okay, students. So, this is important part for you. Okay, different forms of straight lines is going on. First one is horizontal line, vertical line, point slope form. Fourth one is slope intercept form. Third one is slope form. How to remember? Y equal to mx. Next, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Intercept, not intersect. CEPT. Intercept form. That is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx. Like that we have several 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay. So 4 forms of a straight line completed. 5th form. Point slope form, I can say. Point slope form of a line. Point slope form of a line. Of a line means straight line. Okay. Listen, this is also important. Okay. See here. This is y-axis. So this is x-axis. Students, this is the line which is not passing through origin. It will passes through origin, so that is a big problem. Yeah. What is given, what should find? Its slope is given and a point on the line is given. Fixed point. Fixed point. Say A is x1, y. Fixed point. Suffixes are given with fixed point. Variables are just without suffix means just like x comma y, that is a variable point. So, yeah, given let p x1 comma y1 be a fixed point on L. Students, if a point is given, through that point how many lines you can run on? You can run infinite many lines. So, this is one line, this is one line, this is one line, this is one line. So, how to find its equation? All are having different equations now. You want to find uniqueness, so you should give another information about that line. Already given that information, that is slope. Okay. And slope. So, I am assuming point is that and slope is m. But indirectly, the m and the point is given on the line, we want to find its locus equation. How to find locus equation? A fixed point is given. In previous one, a fixed point is 0 comma c. That is a point on y-axis. This is not point on any axis, anywhere, no, anywhere on the line. So, maybe here or here or here, anywhere. Just like a fixed point on the line, say x1, y1. Now, I want to find its slope of that line, means that we need one more point to find slope, no? That's why let the variable point p is taken as x comma y. Variable point, that one. This fixed point. Let p x comma y be a variable point on L. Okay. Now slope of L equal to y minus y1 by c, y minus y1 by x minus x1, y2 minus, this is acting just like x1 y1, this is acting just x2 y2 nana. So y2 minus y1 by x2, or this is, say this is x1 y1, I want to take this is the x2 y2, my convenience, no problem. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 means y minus y1 by x minus x1, already slope is given m equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1, or y minus y1 within bracket is equal to m times of x minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line. This is the locus equation of the straight line. So, this straight line is followed by two conditions. One condition is it is passing through a fixed point x1, y1 and having slope m. Fixed point on the line is given and slope is given. We want to find locus equation. How can you find this? By using this rule you can find. By using this formula you can find. What is that formula, Nana? Y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. How you got? Just I derived. So, this is called point slope form of a straight line. So, remember, Nana, y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. Y1 is the y coordinate of fixed point, x1 is the x coordinate of fixed point, y and x are variables, m is the slope of the straight line. Okay, I will explain through one example. Yeah, listen. Find the equation is locus equation. Equation of a line which is passing through which is passing through two comma 3 and having slope minus 2. Okay. What is which form should use? Horizontal not, vertical not, okay, slope form no, not, slope intercept form not. Those are not useful things to find the equation of the straight line. What is given? A point and slope. Point is not y-axis, no, point and slope. Just I want to try a rough sketch for this. Here what is given? A point on the line is given, that is 2 comma 3, and slope is given. By using point slope form I want to find the equation. Okay. So point slope form of a line, point slope form of a line is what? Y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. So this is acting just like x1 y1, m is equal given as minus 2, just substitutions only. Y minus 3 equal to minus 2 times of x minus 2, or y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus 4, or 2x, transfer this side, 2x plus y, okay, minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore the required equation of the line is what? 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the locus equation of the straight line, which is in the form of ax plus by plus equal 0. That's why ax plus by plus equal 0 always represent a straight line and the coordinate point with only one condition. Okay. I hope you people understood point slope form and its application. One more example, interesting one. Find the example 2, I can say, find the equation of line means straight line, which is passing through through 2 comma 7 and parallel to the line, 2x minus y plus equal to 0. So interesting question. Listen students, a solution I will write. First of all, meaning important. Listen student, this is one straight line, given straight line, fixed straight line. What is that name? 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Now we want to find out another line which is parallel to this. That is important thing. Parallel to this, and this line is passing through a fixed point 2 comma 7. We want to find the equation of green colored line, which is parallel to red colored line and passing through 2 comma 7. To find equation of green colored line, a point on the line is given. You can't find, no, if a point on the line, you can try infinitely many lines through that point. Some more information or one more information required to find the equation of the straight line. Indirectly given that its slope. Indirectly given its slope. Indirectly. How can I say these two are parallel? No? Two parallel lines will have equal slopes. What is the slope of the red line? That is the slope of the green one. Okay. Point is given, slope is given. You can find the equation of the line. So first of all, we need to find slope of green line. For that, first of all, you need to find the slope of the red line. Okay, I can write red line as L. This line is K. K is required line. I will write. Let K be the required line. Okay. What is slope of L? So you need to convert in the form of y equal to mx plus CR minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is 2. Slope of the line L is 2. I try to write in the form of y equal to mx plus c. There also will get 2 only. I will write slope of L is 2 only. How means 2x plus 3 equal to y only, no, that one. So to y equal to mx plus c form, 2 is slope. So given L is parallel to K, so slope of K also 2. Now have slope and point, we can find its equation. Listen students. So the equation of k is y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. This is acting just like x1 y1. Y minus 7 equal to m means 2 times of x minus 2. Okay. Just simplification, y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 4 or 2x minus y plus 7 minus 4 equal to 0 or 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of required straight line which is parallel to given line and passing through the given point. Okay.